Hey guys, we're in the studio today doing a podcast, and I wanted to take a quick break and talk a little bit about Gary Young and Avela. My name is Tom Kubinec, President and CEO of SecureIt Tactical. We are the global leader in military weapon storage and armory design, and in 2012, we decided to go into consumer products with a line of lightweight, fast access safes for the home. Now, I knew we were going to need to source some products in Asia, and I spoke with a lot of different sourcing companies. And then I met Gary and spoke with him and learned more about his company, Avela. And Gary was just different. He spoke from a level of experience and a level of confidence that the other companies just didn't. And he had a clarity in how he operates and how his company works. We started doing business with him in 2013. As of today, my retail brand has grown tremendously. It's now 85% of company sales. SecureIt has been listed twice in Inc. magazine's fastest growing companies in America. We're one of the fastest growing companies in the shooting sports industry. And I mean, very simply, I owe a lot of my success to that relationship with Gary and Avela. Avela is an integral part of this company, and they are one of our key partners in our success. What Avela brings to the table is a level of experience and a level of contacts that nobody else has. His team in China has been with him for probably 20 years. They don't have any turnover. I've been working with the same people for a long time. And you get to know people, they get to know you, and we have gotten to a point now where we operate so seamlessly. Having Avela managing that part of our business allows me and my team to focus on scaling the company. I'll give you a couple of quick stories. During COVID, a lot of my competitors didn't have inventory or had a lot of challenges because there were supply chain interruptions all over the world. But because of Avela's contacts and even maybe the clout that they have in country, we didn't have an interruption. We had product coming in, and during those COVID years, we saw some of the fastest growth in company history. Another quick story is we had a situation where a powder coat line in one of our manufacturers in Asia had a hiccup, had a problem, and there was a container with product that may have had bad powder coat. Avela became aware of the situation. They rerouted the container to their facility in Houston, and he and his staff went through the whole container, inspected all the products, replaced the panels that had the bad powder coat, repackaged it, reboxed it up, and got the container to us. And the potential there was for us to have product going out to our customers with bad powder coat. It was a problem that customers just wouldn't accept. And instead, it was anticipated, dealt with, almost seamless to us. It took no time on SecureIt's part. It didn't cost us any money. And it was a potentially big problem. They just made it go away. One last quick story. I made a decision to try product development in Asia. We normally, if we're developing a new product, we've got some engineering companies that we work with here. It takes 3 to 6 months to really take a product from just a brainstorm idea to a functional prototype. So I talked to Gary, and I just got back from a trip. I was in Shanghai and Ningbo, and his team put together a team. We met in a room. I had 4 engineers, 2 manufacturers, a product design guy, and a couple of people from Avela. And we sat in the room, and it was 2 afternoons, probably 3.5 hours each afternoon. And we went from idea in my head to they're building a prototype right now. And we did that in 2 afternoons. It was absolutely amazing. And that's something that I couldn't even do here. But it's a testament to Avela and their understanding of what it takes to be successful. If you're considering sourcing products in Asia, you need a partner that understands all the nuances of doing business over there. And Gary and his team have demonstrated with us that they're absolutely one of our best partners and absolutely key to our success. Thank you.